It's important to note this week that we skipped over a couple of chapters. We skipped chapter 20, which is radiology and nuclear medicine, because really, radiology and nuclear medicine and all of those testings have been a part of every single chapter that we've done so far, so we skip over that. We also skipped chapter 21, which is pharmacology. Um, Medicine and drugs have been a part of some of the chapters so far. And also, when you get into a program, you will more than likely have a specific pharmacology course, specific just to pharmacology. So we skipped that chapter as well. We're on chapter 22 this week, which is psychiatry. The introduction is pretty good, knowing the different types of physicians, what they do, the different types of disorders you can go through. A lot of it you don't have to go through as much in depth as what maybe the chapter wants us to. I think we're okay with that. But when you do get to the blue boxes, there are some combining forms, some suffixes, and just a couple of prefixes that we use for terms in this type of chapter. So pay attention and have a good time going through all of this, understanding all of it, getting a better sense as well with your homework. That'll help you a lot.